Welcome to Edunyx LMS, where we're transforming the way organizations approach training. Our platform is designed specifically for professional, corporate, and organizational development, making it easier than ever to empower your workforce. Today, let's dive into one of our standout offerings, the Workplace Harassment Awareness and Prevention course. This course is not just a checkbox, it's a vital resource that equips employees with the knowledge they need to foster a respectful and safe workplace. Throughout the course, participants will learn to identify various forms of harassment, understand the impact it can have on individuals and teams, and recognize their role in prevention. Key learning outcomes include the ability to define harassment, differentiate between acceptable and unacceptable behavior, and develop strategies for reporting and addressing incidents effectively. What sets Edunyx apart are our unique platform features. Our engaging motion graphics and dynamic text make the learning experience not only informative, but also visually stimulating. Interactive quizzes and real-life scenarios ensure that learners can apply their knowledge in practical situations, reinforcing their understanding and retention. By investing in this training, organizations are not just complying with regulations, they are actively promoting a culture of respect and safety. A well-trained workforce is empowered to speak up, support one another, and contribute to a healthier work environment. With Edunyx LMS, you're not just training employees, you're building a community committed to respect and safety. Let's work together to create workplaces where everyone feels valued and secure.